Today we show you a ANENG's LED Highlight 3-color tester pen. Blue insulated handle, safe and durable. Side anti-skid design. There is a one-word batch. There are also cross batches. There are also 2 colors to choose from. Front light. Adopt a transparent design. The lighting prompt is brighter and easier to see. Comfortable grip. Screw easily and powerfully. Turn to the back. Open the lid. Load it with AAA battery. Put the lid on. It can be used as a tester pen. Touch the touch button when using it. No need to press. There are 3 kinds of lighting prompts. Blue light indicates a voltage is sensed. Green light indicates low voltage or line conduction. Flashing red light accompanied by a beep indicates that the line has high voltage. Used to detect 0 live wire. 0 line bright green light detected. Detected red light flashing with beeping sound. Detect lines on and off. Line conduction bright green light. No response. This one is broken. It can also detect the quality of the fuse. Bright blue light can be used to detect line breakpoints. Contactless detection along the line. Where it doesn't light up is the breakpoint, usually used to connect a wire. Screw a screw. Find the 0 live line. Very convenient. Just leave it alone when you use it up. No need for shutdowns and other operations.